We need to leave.
What about our baby?
He's better off here than fighting with us.
The way I can help! Quick, hit the subscribe button to help me find my parents!
Hey, can I have a turn?
Get out of here, you freak!
I'm not a freak!
What the heck, dude? You ruined my high score!
Whoa, I didn't know I could do that. Quick, like the video so I can control my powers.
I don't think so. Ha!
You missed! Uh-oh.
Ah!
Ah! Oh, man.
You'll never catch me!
My powers still aren't strong enough. Quick, comment the lightning emoji so I can beat this guy. Awesome, all charged up. Ah!
What the?
Yeah, we did it.
Help! Over here!
Mom? Dad?
Wait a minute. Son?